Hi, welcome to the ping pong contest of KubeCon 2026 in Amsterdam. I'm Maxime Colomès, I'm platform and AI engineer at ITQ, and I'm today with Tom.
Hey Maxime, I'm Tom Heyerick, platform engineer as well, specified in OpenShift and AI infrastructure.
Great to have you here.
Happy to be here.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah. It's our first KubeCon. It's insane.
Yeah, it's
That's
crazy.
so
Man.
hectic. There is lots of activities, lots of meetups. What do you think about the ambience?
Well, honestly, it's pretty wild, super interesting. There's plenty of topics. Yesterday it was the collocated event with sponsors and everything. I've been to the Red Hat one. I can give you an advice. Go try the banana bread.
Banana bread?
Amazing, amazing. Yeah, pretty good. Yeah, the watch is amazing. Love it.
Cool.
You?
Yeah, I think I love the most the encounters, random encounters with people.
Yep.
This morning we went in jail with a project.
That was fun.
Yeah, it's just fun talks. Everyone wants to go to keynotes and meetings, but actually just meeting other people that have the same issues, same interest and desire to innovation. I think that's the best part.
Yeah,
that's
what
I like the most. And as mentioned, there is lots of project and contents. Tom,
there is.
Do you have some favorites already?
Yeah, well, yesterday I went to the lightning talks and it was super interesting because it's really short, super fast presentation about tools, and there's 2 or 3 that I was really interested about that I will go deeper a bit later in after the KubeCon. But mainly it's going to be OpenCost and K-Serve for AI serving and everything. OpenCost, which is like the name says, it's a FinOps.
We're being attacked by a
FinOps tools. Okay, let me give it back. Up. It's a FinOps tools, and it's quite interesting. So yeah, and you, anything interesting?
Very nice.
Yesterday?
Okay. I went a bit more to the MCP agent AI path, and it's super nice. I would say K-agent that allows to really kind of orchestrate your models, your MCPs, but really like declarative way, like Kubernetes way, with CRDs and stuff like that, and to really act as a swarm of agents inside of your Kubernetes to talk with kubectl. It's basically like having sort of a long chain, but I really already integrated with Kubernetes, like Kubernetes native.
Amazing,
great.
Amazing.
I love it. I would say also Holmes GPT. That's pretty nice.
Nice name.
It's that's agent to solve like inside of your CI/CD to self-healing your repositories. And honestly, I think that's a great use case.
It is.
All of us engineers having a sort of a DevOps engineer with K-agent running in your cluster, or like second ball now, third ball.
Again.
Holmes GPT that is like doing pull requests already, or even deploying on your cluster. I think that's really nice. Do you have a use case as well?
Well, yeah, OpenCost. I was really interested because they made a new release with MCP, so you can link your AI chatbot, whatever, ChatGPT, Claude, anyone, to your tool, which is OpenCost, and you can query directly the tool to ask some feedbacks about your some data, about your currently infrastructure. So you can say, okay, let's say, how much did my infrastructure cost last month? Which namespace was the most expensive one? Which application? So that's super interesting. And what I'm thinking the most is for higher management of people, you can directly ask your AI chatbot to give you a report on what's the current situation on your
how much I'm
doing
with my finances.
Exactly. So it's super interesting. It's making everything more easy because it's linked to AI. So amazing. Honestly, I'm interesting to try this one at home. Really.
Directly in your cluster. Nice.
Directly.
And so lots of projects interesting as an engineer. Personally, is there anything that make you vibe, that make you like really be interested?
Yeah, it is. Actually, this morning we attended the keynote, and it was more about open source, like CNCF stuff. And I noticed that I'm more focused right now on OpenShift because I'm certified and I'm looking for the certification as well. But there is also super interesting stuff in the open world, which is open source. Crazy wild, but super wild, but super interesting still. And I think I want to go deeper in this path as well. So. Yeah, I think I will try some stuff, and it's going to be interesting year, I think.
Yeah, definitely. We've felt it like during the keynotes. Obviously, there is actors that are actively playing with the AI and CNCF, like private actors, but open source is here, even more than ever. We
it's
saw it already,
so
like
nice.
that pattern from platform engineering point of view. Is even more here with AI,
Yeah.
so looking forward for it.
Yeah.
And we might do a Contrib Fest
That's true. That's true.
this afternoon with
Yeah.
K agents.
Yeah, exactly.
So probably becoming maintainer soon. Lots to come.
Chill out.
And,
But there's also big vendors coming in, I think. NVIDIA
Yeah.
this morning announced that they were
Yeah,
joining the CNCF to help them. So
great
it's,
for the landscape, I would
it's going
say.
to be amazing, I think. Yeah.
That's nice. Personally,
Yeah.
I'm a fan of nature, even if we are nerds.
Yeah.
I love that. And there was from Mr. Holman, the legend of glider, that broke lots of world records.
Yeah, I heard
that
that.
came here on stage with a glider and talking with a CERN engineer to show how everything that happens
Fourth goal.
inside of such an activity, all the data you can collect, how much you can help science, and all the like onboard things like pressure, air, microplastic even in the air. Everything you can do around that as an engineer, and there's so many things to do.
Yeah,
That looks amazing. That really like
Plenty of data.
lots of data and everything you can do for good purpose to improve science, to improve just society. I loved it. I really loved it.
Yeah. Well, I saw that.
Yeah. Oh,
I saw it.
I was just looking at it.
Yeah, you must.
And he mentioned an AI use case where having a copilot is probably going to be hard to reach the level of experience of the guy.
It's gonna be different.
But
yeah.
still, it was interesting. I think it's going to be hard to bring AI on edge, putting like servers and racks inside of the glider. But there is great use cases, and I think there is. But it was a great one.
That's definitely a project to keep looking at. I
Yeah,
think.
definitely. Great.
Yeah.
Then
Right.
lots to come. It's only one day, but so much to say.
Yeah.
There is 3 days to come. We're gonna go walk around the booth, try to get even more
some
content.
goodies, some swags. Yeah, it's gonna be nice.
If you have any comments, feedback, or you want to start a discussion about any technology we discuss about,
Exactly.
if you have you need help, you need advices, or you have questions about what to discuss, please come in the comments. Come to talk to us, Tom and me.
Yeah.
We'll be really happy to talk about that.
And if you're at KubeCon, please say hi. We have a coffee. We can have a coffee and discuss about private AI.
overhead
Sure.
classes.
Yeah.
Guys.
Exactly.
Thanks,
All
Tom.
right. Thanks, Maxime.
See you
And
soon in the coming days.
See you soon.